Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GIT Resolution, and this is your host. In this video, I will show you how you can install YouTube on your laptop or your PC. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, make sure Google Chrome browser is installed on your PC. At first, open your Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type youtube.com, then press enter. Now drag your mouse to top right corner and now click on this icon. Install YouTube. Now click on install and wait for the installation. As you can see, YouTube has been installed on my PC. You can even see the shortcut on your desktop also, right here. Now double click on YouTube icon to launch YouTube. Right here, YouTube has been installed on my PC. So friends, I really hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.